Ayubawan, greetings to you all. I am the proud guardian of this majestic land. Today I stand before you to take you on a journey to one of the most sacred places on earth, our magnificent Sri Pada, or Adam's Peak. Rising high into the sky, this mountain is not merely rock and earth. It is the spiritual heartbeat of our island and a symbol of unity. For thousands of years, this sacred peak has been a place where four major religions meet in peace. Buddhists honor the sacred footprint at the summit as that of Lord Buddha. Hindus revere it as the footprint of Lord Shiva. Meanwhile, our Islamic and Christian brothers and sisters believe it marks the spot where Adam first set foot on earth. Known by many names, Samanalakanda or Ratnagiriya, this land is protected by the deity god Saman and is truly blessed. To climb Sri Pada is not a vacation. It is a pilgrimage that tests your endurance and devotion. Whether you take the Hatton route or the more difficult Ratnapura path, every step upward cleanses the mind. This mountain is also a biodiversity hotspot, home to rare plants and animals found nowhere else in the world. As we climb, we follow ancient customs, such as refraining from harsh words or boasting, a tradition known as Kata Varada Noganima, to show respect to the spirits of the wild. The climax of this journey is the Ira Savaya, the sacred sunrise. As the sun climbs the horizon, a miracle of nature occurs. The mountain casts a perfect triangular shadow upon the clouds or the land below. This breathtaking sight cannot be found anywhere else on the planet. It is a moment that fills every heart with an indescribable feeling of reverence and awe. Dear friends, this sacred heritage belongs to us all. It is our duty to protect it. Please do not pollute this holy ground with plastics or polythene. Let us climb with a pure heart and leave only our footprints behind. May you have the strength for this journey. Blessings to you all.